Hey, how's it going, everyone? So today, Ton and I can't see it now, I can see you. We are going to be making green tea, no, matcha ice cream for the first time, so it might be a fail, it might be a win. We're trying out some recipes that we see online, and the style we're going for is without using an ice cream maker machine because we don't want to spend money. Alright, so... Alright, so right now we boiled some water and we added 2 tablespoons, right?
Yeah.
Of water. And then now we're adding 2 tablespoons of matcha powder.
Why would you do that? I need to add all the condensed milk in here.
Alright, adding condensed milk. How much are we adding?
The whole can?
1 whole can.
Or you can add less if you don't want it to be too sweet. And mix it well.
While she's doing that, I'm going to be prepping using like heavy whipping cream. So I'm using this heavy whipping cream and then I'm going to go mix it in like a bowl. Should I use all of it?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to use this whole thing.
Look at the date.
Yeah, 6/20. Okay, do you know what
We like this brand, and it's our first time using it. Oh, it's backward. It's backward, right? The word?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. It's just because we're recording, so we can mirror ourselves. So if you flip it on the other way, and you're looking at it.
Oh, okay.
So like, this is how you want it to be, so that it's like not dripping. So that's like the thickness that we want it to be. Okay, now we are moving all the whipping cream with the matcha, and then pretty much after that we're just gonna put it in a container and then we're like done after we put it in the freezer. So super easy actually.
Wait at least like 6 hours.
Yep.
So we technically can try it tonight, 6 p.m. 6 hour would be midnight. Ooh. Why is it not thick like I thought?
Do you want to whip it in here?
It's not as green as I thought it's gonna be. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, still doesn't mix well. Oh, I think it's actually perfect. Whoa, it looks so satisfying from the top. Look at this, babe. Come here. Look like so many layers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I need to move it down. Where's the top? Oops, now it's ugly. Hey, done.
Dun dun.
8 hours later.
Okay, so it's been the next day. So we waited like, I want to say at least 12 hours. Probably more than 12 hours. And now it's like fully frozen, and we're gonna go see if it actually... It's so like, you know, smooth.
I'm scared it's not. Ooh. Wow. That texture. Wow.
It's pretty ice cream like.
Yeah, right? Without an ice cream maker.
He does.
He does?
Yeah.
Let me grab some.
I am. I'm trying it. Shit, that's pretty good.
Right. Jenny, you want some matcha ice cream? Not matcha, green tea ice cream. Yeah, we're trying it out.
Without a ice cream machine. Okay, so the verdict is that this is actually pretty good, considering we didn't use like a machine or anything, and yeah, it's pretty good. Definitely recommend it.